I am out at my local QT with the E46. It is finally cold enough to drive this thing outside because for those of you that don't know, I don't have AC. Just topping off the gas, took it on a quick round, went on a movie date tonight, took it out there, it did great. I absolutely need to get this back tint off. I know you can see through it from this side, but from the inside, it's horrible. I can't see anything. Stuff like this is making me think about potentially taking this to like a Mako or something like that for a quick paint job. So I want to kind of see what your guys' opinions are on Mako. I don't know if anybody who's going to watch this has done a Mako paint job, but if you have, let me know. There's a couple things it needs, like the bumpers obviously missing some things, and I need a new grill. I'm going to go find some grills online that I like and see if I want to match this one or just get a whole new set. I don't even know if these screws are stock. I don't know anything about this. Tristan, that one channel in AZ, cleaned my headlights up for me, so props to him. These wheels are all horrendously curb rashed, but I still like them, so I don't know if I want to get rid of them or not, or maybe just have them repaired. But I know that's a lot of money, and I don't know if I want to spend that on stock 25-year-old BMW wheels. Mirrors need to get repainted, stuff like that. So I'm thinking about just painting the whole car and then getting it tinted, and then after that, I don't know, it needs the AC fixed. I was supposed to take it this week to a Beamer shop to get it diagnosed and the AC fixed, but I ran out of time, so that'll be a next week thing. But I'm gonna get the AC fixed. I need to find a taillight casing. FCP Euro has one and they want $700 for it, so that's not happening. That little piece needs to get painted. Maybe some new BMW logos, but other than that, it's the wiring, and I think the U-joint is the only mechanical issue, is the U-joint. I need to get the check engine light cleared because I have fixed everything and there's no reason for it to be on. Other than that, and that fender right there, this thing is awesome. I got no issues for it, and I'm really happy driving it, and I'm really glad that it's finally cold enough that I can wear pants and drive this car. But yeah, look forward to seeing a lot more of this car in the future. The 8.6 is still at the shop on with that, but hopefully I'll be able to get it back soon. I call the service advisor every day, and every day he's on the line, or he's busy, or they just have excuses, so I don't know. But as soon as I get it back, I'm gonna immediately turn right around and throw it back to them and try to get a lemon lod. So hopefully that'll get that off of my plate bills wise, but it does suck to lose a second 8.6 to bullshit circumstances, but there's only so much you can do. This thing will last me through winter, and after that, maybe it's Cayman time, maybe I save more money, maybe it's house time, who knows. But for now, I got a little 5-speed manual black coupe, and I cannot be more happy with it. Stay tuned for more videos, but for now, I'm gonna go home and probably play some video games and then go to bed because I have a job now, so I got work tomorrow. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.